trio of Democrat-led states facing budget crises are moving to cut health care funding for illegal immigrants. The progressive governors of California, Illinois, and Minnesota, they are moving to roll back or freeze programs that extended state-funded health care to people who entered the country illegally, citing rising costs and unexpectedly high enrollment. And Washington, D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser is looking to follow suit as well. NewsNation's Mills Hayes is following this one for us. Mills, this is interesting. I mean, is this strictly about cutting budgets, or is this a sign that Americans don't want to pay to take care of people who are here illegally?
Good morning to you, Markie. We have seen Americans change their opinions about undocumented immigrants getting health care. A lot of it having to do with the decline in the threat of COVID-19. And we have seen federal funding for COVID relief. That has ended, along with states' actual spending being much higher than their projected spending. So it's leading many governors to roll back that health care coverage for undocumented immigrants. And we're seeing this over in California. Governor Gavin Newsom now wanting to freeze new enrollment in Medi-Cal for undocumented adults. Existing patients can stay, but even they could see benefit cuts. It's exactly what Republicans like California Assemblyman DeMaio have been calling for.
We simply cannot afford it. And it's certainly not just to put the health coverage of poor Californians, elderly, disabled, young children at risk because California politicians want to give free handouts to people who are not even citizens.
Here in Illinois, Governor J.B. Pritzker taking it even a step further, ending the immigrant adult health program entirely on July 1st. It launched back in 2021 and currently covers over 30,000 people. And Minnesota, they are also pulling back, kicking undocumented adults off of Minnesota care by the end of the year. And in fact, the top Democrat in the House, Minnesota State House, Melissa Hortman, she was murdered this past weekend and what Governor Walz has called a politically motivated assassination. And she was the only Democrat to side with Republicans at the end of their legislative session just last week. She sided with Republicans to get rid of health care coverage for undocumented immigrants in order for there to not be a government shutdown. Now, pundits say that it's not the governor's values that have changed, but cash flow. All three states are facing budget shortfalls, and there's new pressure coming from Washington, including a federal bill that would cut funding to states covering undocumented immigrants. And the cutbacks have sparked outrage from immigrant rights groups. They say that it's a step backward for public health and for states that claim to be inclusive. And more states could follow suit because right now open enrollment rules are now under review in Colorado, Washington, and also New York, Markie.
Wow, not the state list that you expected to see, really, with this story. Mills, thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.